The Mystery of the Lion King. The lion is a mammal belonging to the cat family, with a lifespan of about 14 years if living in the wild and about 20 years when kept in captivity. They live mainly in Africa and Asia. The hairy mane is characteristic of lions. The lion is considered a symbol of strength and the king of the grassland, with a roar that terrifies many surrounding species. And after, there are 10 mysteries about lions. Let us explore together. First, lions live in herd. Lions are one of the most social species. They live together in large herds from 15 to 40 animals, including many adult males, lionesses, and their cubs. A crowed herd of lions, with a large number of males, will help ensure the safety of their cubs. Second, female lions do most of the hunting. We are easily attracted by the powerful demeanor of male lions. However, female lions are responsible for 85% to 90% of the hunting. Meanwhile, males are responsible for protecting the herd and territory from rival herds or other predators. Although females do most of the hunting, male lions usually get to eat first. Third, lions do not need to drink water every day, but they definitely need to eat. Although, lion can live without water for 4 days, but an adult lion needs about 10 kg to 15 kg of meat every day. Fourth, it is the lioness roar. Famous as a symbol of strength, the lioness roar can terrify any animal, and can you believe it, it can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Fifth, lions are natural hunters. The lion has many natural physical characteristics that help it become a great hunter in the wild. For example, lioness vision is 6 times more sensitive to light than a humaness. Therefore, they provide a significant advantage when hunting at night for lions. Its claws can be easily retracted and extended, allowing great control over when to kill prey. In addition, they are capable of reaching speeds of up to 80 km/h in a very short time, and jumping up to more than 10 meters high. Sixth, lions live longer in captivity. In captivity, lions can live over 20 years. And their average lifespan will be from 12 to 16 years if they live in a natural environment. Seventh, lions are the second largest cats in the world after tigers. The average male lion weighs about 180 kilograms, while the average female lion weighs about 130 kilograms. The heaviest lion ever recorded had a body weight of up to 375 kilograms. Eighth, quite interesting mystery is that the lioness mane will show their age. A darker colored mane means the male lion is getting older. Ninth, it is the habitat of lions. Known as the king of the jungle, however, lions do not actually live in the jungle. Instead, their main habitat is the grasslands and plains of Africa. And 10th, lions communicate in many different ways. Besides their iconic roar, lions also communicate with each other in the same ways that cats communicate, such as through groans and purrs. Lions also rub each other's heads as an act of bonding and spreading family scent. This scent allows lions to recognize members of the herd when there is a dispute with a rival. Thanks for watching, and see everyone in the next videos.